locked staking would like the hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So you're welcome to this channel. If you're a new subscriber, hey, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this channel we discuss cryptocurrency, money, finance, and money related topics. My name is Sylvia and I'm just here to give you another tip on how you can get it better. Today we are going to discuss how to make money using cryptocurrency. It's something that a lot of people would also want to learn, and this is just going to be like a beginner video. So just sit back and listen, get your writing materials and get your phone or laptop ready, because you'd have to sign up to some platforms for this. Also, I want to just note that in this video we got a huge number, over 94% of my viewers are not even in Nigeria, because I know we have a restriction in Nigeria. So just know the rules that work in your country and try to be safe while you're at it. So going into this, the first app I would want us to even download right now is the Binance app. If you're already in this and you're not totally a beginner, you're also welcome to get some information here. You will learn one or two things and you also refresh your knowledge on what you already know. So if you've not downloaded the Binance app, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you to use and download. And isn't that lovely? Because I'm going to be giving $5 through that link to the first 100 people who subscribe and trade over $100 to either buy a coin or to sell a coin. Just do a trade with $100 and you're going to get $5 discount. And trust me, you're already making money like that. So don't forget to also hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Let as much people who are also very confused on how they can make money on cryptocurrency come on board and get one or two information that will kickstart them into this world of crypto. Just a few minutes and you're already making money. Yes, that's how we roll. Going further in this video, the first thing that we want to talk about on how to make money in cryptocurrency is investing and trading. So disclaimer, right? The crypto industry is very volatile, like very volatile. So you need to be ready for the swing in crypto. Currently the market is very red, like the streets are red, and it is very normal in this space. So the market can go up and it can come down, and there are opportunities in either of the spaces. It depends on what you're looking at, it depends on how burnt you are, and it depends on the research that you're doing. And most importantly, guys, always do your own research. So talking of the investing and trading, you invest long term or you trade, which is like short term. So investing is when you go in on these assets and then you buy them and then you give it the period of time that you want them to stay. It could be 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, depending on what your plan is. And you, when it gets to that period, if you've made the profit that you want to make, you can just cash out immediately. Or if it doesn't even need to stay up till that time, but you already have a plan that once this coin has like done a 10x, or a 10x is like 1000%, or it has done like a 20x, whether it's up to 6 months or not, you just decide to leave. So you have to have a plan on whatever you want to do when you're getting into this crypto space. Then you also have the short term where you just buy, and then after a period you can even buy and just set it in the spots that you want it to close out on the deal. Once that's gotten to maybe 2%, or you've just made a reasonable increase of profit in the trade, then you just close it. So it's either it's a long term or it's a short term trade. But on the Binance app, you can do this using the spots feature. And the spots feature is just spotting, which means like it's a method of buying and selling assets, crypto assets in this case, and it's at the spot price, which is at the current price. Spots at the current price. In the spot price, it's just a place where people have either sets or they are there to click and buy on the spot. That's immediately a particular price that they want to buy or sell a crypto asset for. So some people can just set it and decide that whenever this coin hits a particular target or a particular price, sell it immediately at that price. Or you could also be online and then sell by yourself. So you have these two platforms here, different colors. So the green one is showing that you want to buy, or the buy transactions that are going on at a particular time, while the red one is showing the sell transactions, or you want to sell, and the transactions that are going on at that particular time. I'd also want to remind you, investing is a long-term goal, and trading is a short-term goal. So this trading thing it requires a lot of skills and expertise, because for you to really be productive and make good profits in it, you should be able to study and give a good analysis of the market and know when to go in and when to come out. Because generally how you make money in cryptocurrency is going in on when these coins are low and buying them when the prices of the coins are at a low price, so that once it goes up, you're already making your profits, you're already in profits. Just like the futures trading, it takes a lot of skill and expertise before you get into futures. Guys, don't go and gamble with your money. Don't go and do things that you're not very certain, you're not very sure of. If you need to pay to get this knowledge before you go into it, it's fine. If you need to watch videos like this, it's fine. And now thinking of it, I think I will need to also make a video on how you can buy Bitcoin, on how you can do peer-to-peer. I know someone has also asked for that video. Don't worry, I got you. I'm going to do that video very soon and I'll put it out there. So go for the knowledge that you need for you to make progress in the space, and you would not regret it. The next way you can actually make money in the crypto space is staking and lending. So the staking has like different ways you can do this. If you use the Binance, you'd have like the flexible savings, you have locked savings, you have different ways to actually do this. So locked staking would mean that you should put the money and lock it. You're not going to have access to it till the duration of time that you want, or you have said that you're going to. It could be 3 months, it could be 1 week, it could be 6 months, depends on what option that you actually chose before you started the staking. Then you also have the flexible staking, but staking generally helps your coin work for you. So instead of just holding these coins and they're just in your wallet, it goes up, it goes down, you could just stake them to give you little coins as the year goes by or as the day goes by. So you could have like a 64% APY, or you could have like 10% in 3 months, or you could have 2% in 1 month. So it depends on what you want to work and how long you want these coins to be there and work for you. So instead of just tossing your coin and leaving it in your wallet dormant, it's necessary that you stake these coins. If you don't want them to be locked, you might want to use them later, you can just do a flexi save and just stake them there. But staking is really very important, because the little coins that it's giving you, also remember that these coins have value. Most of them could be like $8, $100, $10. So when it completes, to imagine how you staked a coin and it's worth at that time, or when you want to take the money, is now $100. So, and then you stake over the period, it's able to generate one. So you have been able to hold your coin and then also make a profit on the coin, and also make another profit because you're able to stake and get one extra coin, which is now $100 for yourself. I hope that makes sense. In general, staking is very important. Another way you can make money is by offering a service and getting paid through this channel. So depending on where you are though, this can be very helpful, because I know that there has been some transactions that I've done, and using Payoneer, you'd have to, like for instance, you have to pay before you receive the money, and even when you want to convert the money for your own use, you also have to pay some charges. And of course, I don't blame these guys, like that's how they make their own money, but then it's to my detriment, guys. So you can use for instance the Bitcoin. You just send them your wallet address, whoever it is, though trusted, and then the person would be able to send your Bitcoin or send the equivalent of that money to you. You can also send your USDT address to them, and they will be able to pay you in USDT, which is still dollar equivalent, and you're going to get your money in splits in minutes, instead of waiting like a very long time for you to get your money. So this is also a very good way of getting paid and getting paid fast. So if you offer a service, you can just create a platform in maybe USDT or in Bitcoin where people can pay you. It's always good to use a stable coin for your transactions, because imagine that you just made a transaction and then it's supposed to be $100 worth and it was paid in Bitcoin, and then the market now crashed and $100 is now $80. So it's going to be a loss to you, especially if you want to use the money immediately. But of course, if you leave it there over time, it could also grow to be over $100, which is also very good for you. So it depends on what you want to do. Just be sure and just know that you can use Bitcoin as a channel to get paid. Also, you could make money from the crypto space using affiliate link. So you could just direct someone to use your link and then you get paid for doing that. Usually when those guys buy different coins, you just get like $0.1 or $1 or just few dollars, and when it accumulates, you'll see that the worth is actually going to be good over time. And you also get to have some coins that you didn't even buy by yourself, because when they are buying these coins, they are paying you in those coins that they are all buying. So it's a very good one. You could also try Coinbase. They have an affiliate program that is very good, and try different platforms as well. KuCoin also has. Just try different platforms, use your link and share to people, let them get signed up on these platforms, because it's also going to help them in their crypto journey, and it's going to help you also make $1 or $2 while they are getting better in their crypto space. Another way you can also make money is using the arbitrage method. I'm going to leave a link in the description on how to do that. You can just learn more, read up on it. So basically it's about buying a coin low on a platform and then selling it high on another platform. So I remember there was a time this worked for me using Binance and Remitano platforms. So imagine that you're buying a coin, let's say for $5 on the Binance platform. After buying them, you send it using your wallet address to the Remitano platform, and then on that Remitano platform it also offers a peer-to-peer service where you get to sell the coins that you buy. So you now sell on that platform at a higher price. Let's say the coin is selling at a $5.3 on that platform, and you get to make like a $0.3 profit for every coin you buy. Imagine you're selling like 100 or 1,000 of them, and that's going to be a good amount of money for that short period of time. I'm also going to leave my Remitano link in the platform just in case you want to explore. It's also a very good platform, and right now they are mining their coin, which is going to be effective this year. Download the app and also try to mine the coin. Also, that leads me to another way you can make money in cryptocurrency, which is the airdrop. So airdrops is a way that people in charge of the coin will just distribute a certain amount of coins to the community, just letting them on, creating an awareness that this coin is coming and it's going to do this and that and this. So you can be like the first time shareholders in this coin. So they will just give out an amount of the coin to different people to venture in and also create awareness and tell other people about the coin before it comes in. So right now Remitano rather, they are mining their coin, which is called Renek. So every day you just go and click and mine the coin. It's mining at a mining power of I think 0.2 or 0.2, yes, 0.2 in 24 hours. So you can give that a chance. I've been mining since last year, so you can just start mining now, which is very good because we don't know what it's going to list for. The platform is a very good one, I should add. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions that you want to ask me on this that I've taught. I'm also thinking that I need to do more detailed videos on how to stake a coin properly, either on Binance or on Coinbase. I'm also going to do a video on peer-to-peer. We'll do more elaborate videos on all these processes to help you make this money on cryptocurrency. So with this, I hope you've been able to learn some ways you can make money on the crypto space. It's a good one to read up, do your own research and learn this before you get into it, before you delve in. And I hope you're happy because I'm really giving you a $5 when you sign up with my link. $5 is like 2,800 naira right now. I don't even know what it is right now, but just try and use that as a jump start Have you clicked that subscribe button? Have you? Okay, so please click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification, because this is going to help you know when I post the video so you don't miss out on anything. Like I said, I'm going to make some new videos and keep you informed and updated. So I love you all, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.